Okay, that's a good question. As we know that the biggest change currently in the telecom domain is about the agent. We can see many people mentioned about the agent in the network, how to use it. We know the agent can enable about the AI abilities in the network communications and about maintenance. And but we know that many people mentioned that how to make them connections and collaborations between different agents. That's a big question. So now we think there's three main challenges about this AI usage in the IP domain. We know that there's many problems in the usage of the agent in the telecom domain. It's about three things. One is the integrations of the agent, and another is collaborations between the agents, and about the cost, how to make the agent and how to make them collaborations between the communications. And there's a much more development and make them integrations pay much more cost in it. So there's three items for the challenge, I think.
In AIS network, we already deploy a network layer for the agent. Seems just like a RAN energy saving and FME copilot. For these two agents, it can be help AIS to improve saving on energy, and another thing for the field maintenance to reduce mean time to repair. For that to use case agent, it can help AIS improve operation efficiency a lot.
As the name, we say it's open AN, right? So it's very clearly it's designed for the AN. We know that currently the AN needs collaboration by the agents. So how to resolve this problem between the integration, collaboration, need someone to create the connection components for the whole networks. So the OpenAN is an open source project suite for the AN. It means that we cooperation with many partners, just like CMCC and just like AIS and Orange. We make together to design the connection components for the AN. The AN is designed for the AN and is working under the Linux Foundation. And he will follow the TM forum about the protocols and how to make them together. And it includes three parts. The one part is about the common component, just like A2A protocol. And the second part is about the framework. This framework is working for the agent, how to build an agent. And the third part is about ontology abilities. So we think this one can make up together to provide the functions for the AN and can enable the operators to faster their deployment of the autonomous network. And the target is about the level 4 level for the autonomous network.
I think OpenAN is the community that we can working together for collaboration and the exchange idea. For this kind of work, it can be help AIS to work together with the best operator and the best vendor that can support AIS in the future. Because in AIS, we try to build the service layer agent that work together with the network layer agent. For example, in the service layer agent, we try to build customer complaint handling agent and cross-domain fault agent. For this, need to work together with the network layer. For example, like a RAN fault agent. For the interface connectivity between the service layer agent and the network agent, we expect to use the A2A-T. For this protocol, it can be help the agent to communicate each other, and we hope that this kind of thing that can help collaborate work together ครับ
And we think about this one because the open AI is not very widely open source. It's focused on the telecom domain. In this one, we work together with the partners, all from mainly from the telecom domain. They understand about the network very well. They know what's the painful, and they know what we need. So the target is very clearly about our open source. So we can see this is the first benefit for us, and this is quite different with the normal open source project. And the other one is about we follow about the TM forums standard. That means that we have a very clearly things to look up to with the very clearly target and the protocol and something. And this one we can make them deployment to the real software, real abilities. And the third one is that we can deploy this one in our lab networks. The benefit is that we work together with the operators all over the world. So we can try to use them in the lab networks and quickly get the result and the make up is very better and better, faster to deploy them, to update them. So this is a very key point. So we based on the live network, and then we can make sure the usage and the benefit and the result is follow the requirements of the operators. Thank you.
For AIS to join this community, we believe that AIS can learning about the project management, about the review and decision process on the open source community. For this thing, we hope that we can adopt the A2A-T in existing of the AIS infrastructure platform. From that, we can leverage more in the future. And AIS also try to be contribute in the Open AIS project by sharing the use case that AIS already deployed. For that one, it can be help another operator that can be implement autonomous network use case really fast. We believe like that ครับ